Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you don't recognize your face anymore? There's actually one massive lie the beauty industry has been telling you, and it's the reason your wrinkles stay stuck. No matter what expensive cream you try, you're not going to want to miss this. Today, we're exposing the biggest anti-aging myth that keeps you feeling confused and stuck. This lie has made billions, while your skin stays exactly the same. Stick around because the truth at the end will show you that your body isn't broken, you just need the right approach. And it costs almost nothing. If you're over 35, you've probably noticed your reflection changing faster than you expected. Fine lines turning into deeper wrinkles, sagging around your jawline, dull, tired-looking skin. No matter how much you sleep, you've tried the expensive creams, the collagen powders, the random DIY remedies from YouTube. Maybe you've spent hundreds or even thousands on products that promised results, but left you disappointed. And here's the lie they keep repeating. Apply this product to your skin, and it will reverse aging. But here's what they're not telling you. Your skin is not the problem. Your skin is the symptom. Think about it. If a plant's leaves are turning brown, you don't paint the leaves green. You fix the roots. Your wrinkles, sagging, and dull skin are symptoms of what's happening inside your body. And until you fix what's happening internally, no cream will give you lasting results. I created a simple system that shows you how to naturally boost collagen from the inside out, without injections or expensive routines. Join below. The real reason your skin ages. Your skin ages from the inside out, not the outside in. Here's what's actually happening after 40. Your collagen production drops dramatically. After age 25, you lose about 1% per year. By 40, you've lost 15 to 20%. This happens deep in your skin, not on the surface. Chronic inflammation from your gut, blood sugar imbalances, and stress activates enzymes that literally break apart your collagen fibers. Your hormones decline. Estrogen supports collagen production. When it drops during perimenopause and menopause, women can lose up to 30% of skin collagen in just 5 years. Your body becomes less efficient at absorbing the vitamins and minerals needed to build collagen. Even if you're eating well, your cellular energy declines. Without enough energy, your cells simply can't manufacture collagen efficiently. This is why you can eat pretty healthy and still look tired, why expensive creams don't work, why you feel like you're doing everything right but looking worse every year, why topical products have limits. I'm not saying skincare does nothing, but here's the harsh truth. Your skin is designed to keep things out, not let things in. It's a barrier. Most skincare molecules are too large to penetrate beyond the outermost dead skin cells. Collagen molecules are massive. They can't penetrate skin at all. Even ingredients that do penetrate only reach the upper layers. They can't fix gut inflammation, hormone decline, nutrient deficiencies, or the cellular dysfunction happening inside your body. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that topical treatments couldn't match the results achieved through nutritional and systemic interventions. But the beauty industry doesn't want you to know this. Why? Because they can't patent and sell you broccoli or sleep. They can't charge $200 for a suggestion to reduce sugar intake. They make money by convincing you the solution is external and expensive. This is the lie, that aging happens on your skin's surface and can be fixed by what you put on it. The truth is, aging happens systemically, and the most powerful interventions are internal. Inside my Collagen Blueprint Club, I show you exactly how to rebuild collagen naturally with food, habits, and routines that actually work. What actually works? If you feel like aging is out of your control, here's the truth. Your body was designed to renew itself. You don't need injections. You need alignment. Factor number 1. Nutrition for collagen building. Your body needs specific nutrients to manufacture collagen. Without these raw materials, collagen production simply can't happen. Vitamin C is absolutely essential. Your body cannot make collagen without it. Studies show that people with the highest vitamin C intake have significantly fewer wrinkles and better skin elasticity. Get vitamin C from bell peppers, broccoli, citrus fruits, and leafy greens. You need about 1,000 milligrams daily for optimal collagen support. Glycine is the amino acid that makes up 1/3 of collagen's structure. Most people over 40 are severely deficient in glycine because modern diets lack glycine-rich foods like bone broth, organ meats, and connective tissue. Supplementing with 10 to 15 grams of glycine daily has been shown to increase skin elasticity and reduce wrinkle depth significantly. This works from the inside out. You're giving your fibroblasts the building blocks they need. Copper and zinc are essential cofactors for collagen synthesis. Copper activates the enzymes that cross-link collagen fibers. Zinc activates the enzymes that build collagen molecules. Get these from seeds, nuts, shellfish, and organ meats, or supplement with 1 to 2 milligrams copper and 15 to 30 milligrams zinc daily. Factor number 2, reducing systemic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest destroyers of collagen, and this inflammation comes from inside your body, not from your environment. The primary sources are poor gut health. A damaged gut lining leads to systemic inflammation, blood sugar imbalances. Repeated insulin spikes cause inflammatory cascades. Inflammatory foods, seed oils, processed foods, and excess sugar. Chronic stress, elevated cortisol breaks down collagen directly. Address these by healing your gut with bone broth, fermented foods, and removing inflammatory triggers. Stabilizing blood sugar by reducing sugar and refined carbs. Switching to anti-inflammatory fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and omega-3s. Managing stress through sleep, meditation, prayer, or whatever works for you. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who reduced systemic inflammation through diet showed improvements in skin appearance equivalent to using prescription retinoids without any topical products. Factor number 3, hormone support. Declining hormones are a major driver of collagen loss, especially for women after menopause. Estrogen directly stimulates collagen production. When estrogen drops, collagen production drops with it. Women can lose up to 30% of skin collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. While hormone replacement is an option some women choose, you can also support hormones naturally. Eat foods rich in phytoestrogens, flax seeds, fenugreek, soy. Support liver detoxification so it can process hormones efficiently. Get adequate healthy fats for hormone production. Manage stress, which disrupts hormone balance. Men experience testosterone decline, which also affects collagen. Supporting testosterone through strength training, adequate protein, and managing stress helps maintain collagen production. Factor number 4, sleep is when your body rebuilds. Your body produces most collagen during deep sleep. If you're not sleeping 7 to 9 hours, you're missing this critical repair window. Take 3 to 5 grams of glycine before bed. It improves sleep quality and provides the raw material for overnight collagen synthesis. Double benefit. Factor number 5, cellular energy production. Your fibroblasts need energy to produce collagen. Support mitochondrial function with coenzyme Q10. Supports ATP production. B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism. Magnesium, required for over 300 enzymatic reactions. Exercise, stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis. Red light therapy also boosts cellular ATP production. Studies show it increases collagen synthesis by stimulating fibroblasts directly. The number one anti-aging lie is that wrinkles happen on your skin's surface and can be fixed with products and procedures. The truth? Aging happens inside, in your gut, hormones, cells, and bloodstream. Fix what's happening internally, and your skin will reflect that health. You're not too late. Your body isn't broken. You don't need more products. You need the right habits, done consistently. Start with one thing today. Add glycine to your routine. Cut seed oils. Prioritize sleep. Build from there. Give it 12 weeks and take photos to track your progress. You deserve to feel confident again without makeup, to stop feeling like aging is out of your control, to be proud when someone takes your photo. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group. Click the link in the description to get started now. Simple, natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.